Hello YouTube! I recently bought Spiggin's 2-pack screen protector gel for my cousin and friend. Although it came with an easy application guide, I experienced slippage and both the protective film was damaged and stains formed between the glass. While researching what to buy for the Ultra1 watch I bought for myself, I saw this protector of ESR brand on Amazon. The reviews were really unbelievable. I ordered it immediately and waited for it to arrive from abroad. I knew ESR brand from the time I bought a protective glass for iPhone 8 once in the past, and it was the first company that sold protective glass with a guide frame for the first time in my life. When it arrived, I wanted to assemble it immediately, but unfortunately, I couldn't shoot the assembly video because I didn't press start. Sorry. But I share detailed photos. You can safely buy it without thinking. This is not a product placement. I bought and applied it with my own money. With its thin structure and hardened glass, it has no negative effect on the touchscreen. Like other films and protectors, it protects not only the glass but also the outer frame. It is never visible. This is the best part. Same color and texture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.